Hey everyone, it's Jason back, and today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the Hik-Connect app onto your FireStick. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get it and set it up. Okay, first thing you want to do is head over to Downloader, press OK, go to the bar, and you're going to punch in the following. So you're going to punch in jasonschannel.com. It's a website that I created just to add some stuff on there for you guys. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. It helps this website and it helps my channel quite a bit. I really appreciate if you could hit that subscribe button. Press go. What you want to do is hit the menu 2 times on the remote. So now we're going to head over to apps. I just set up this website pretty quick. You will notice some changes over the next couple of days and weeks. Let's head over to apps, press OK. You can hit subscribe to my channel right here. So here's the most popular apps everybody keeps asking me for. So there's a lot more coming. Right now, these are the only ones I added. So here's the Hik-Connect app. What you want to do is, we need to download this one and the mouse. If you already have the mouse, great. So what you're going to do is, you're going to just go on it, press OK. And the download should start. Okay, so once it's done, you're going to get this. Just head over to install. I already have it installed, but all you have to do is hit install. Once it's done, don't hit open, hit done. Then hit delete, then delete again. And once you're done that one, you're going to head over to the mouse toggle right here, and you do the same thing. Then once you download both items, you're going to hit the home button on the remote control. Going to head over to apps. So we're going to head down to the bottom. First app we're going to look for is the mouse, which is right here. Press OK. So you want to make sure mouse, the service is enabled. ABD settings, press OK. And it'll take you to here. You got to make sure it's on. Okay, once you double check that, go back. And now you can hit the back key again. And now we head over to the Hikvision app, press OK. You have to allow, agree. This is where you're going to need the mouse. So you're going to hit the play and pause button at the same time. Now we're going to select our region. head over. I'm in Canada, so I'm going to head over to C. Check mark on the top right hand side. Now let's head over to OK. So now you're going to head over to login. If you set up your account with a mobile number, just punch it in. You come over here for email. Now you enter your email here, or your username, whatever you use to create your account. I'm going to log into mine. And just head over to your recorder and just press OK. So if you got these little locks here, that means you have a verification code you have to enter, which is the one you set up when you first got your recorder. So I'm just going to type mine in. You can easily find this information in your recorder under the settings. If you don't know this information, you might have to contact your installer. So once you get the first camera popping up, what I like to do is exit out of the app, then go back into it, or just click on all the locks. You'll get this message. It's up to you if you want to get notifications. I'm going to say never show us again. Now we head over to our recorder, press OK, and all your cameras should pop up. That's all to it. So guys, if you have any questions, please comment below. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button. And once again, thanks for watching.